What is up, guys? Flossy Missiles here. In today's video, we're gonna be hitting up Milestone Mx Park, but first, gotta throw on some fresh rubber. So these are the STI Tech 2 tires. They're only 60 bucks a pop, so they're really cheap as far as dirt bike tires go. And they have really good reviews on them. My friend runs them and he loves them, so we're gonna toss these on the bike and hopefully go hit the track. Also, this mud flap right here is completely shot. You can see how it's all shredded up. So I picked up a new one. I picked it up off Rocky Mountain ATV, UFO one. It was only like 8 or 9 bucks. It was really cheap. So I'll swap that out really quick before we hit the track. Okay, so I made it out here to Milestone in Riverside, California. There's a fat finish line jump right there. Let's see if we can see somebody hit it. So I'm gonna go ahead and test out my new tires. Hopefully they feel good because they're kind of expensive. They're the cheaper branded tires, but they're so expensive. You know, get the feel off of the bike a little more, and yeah, just have a good time. But I'll throw you guys in my front fender so you guys can come along with me. Making sure that GoPro is on, and making my way over to the vet track, cruising through. All right, this is on the track. Little tabletop right here. Are actually a lot bigger in real life. Well, I feel like they are. On camera they look kind of small. Pretty good air time on that one. This one's probably the second biggest jump on the track right here. For the 450 it's like nothing though. Like literally I think I keep it in second, maybe third, the whole entire track. This area is all rutted out and wet. This is the finish line jump, which I like a lot. Really good hang time on that one. So this is my first trip to Milestone where I clear everything on the vet track. I didn't want to ride the main track on this particular day because it was really crowded and I don't want to get in anyone's way. But next trip I'll be riding the main. The opportunity the other day to ride a 250F at Paris Raceway. That was a lot of fun. It was actually nice shifting through some gears instead of just having all the power of the 450 to where you don't ever have to shift. Okay, I'm coming back around on the rutted section and I'll be hitting the finish line and jump again. I think I overshoot it and land flat on this one. Take the outside line. I have too much speed. Yeah, land completely flat if you could tell how hard that was. But yeah, that was a vet track. Oh my gosh, I'm all hot and sweaty after that one. But I got my bike all loaded up and I am going to be taking off and heading back home. So that's where I'm going to call it for today's video. I'm super psyched on all the jumps I was able to land today. And I still haven't fallen, fingers crossed I don't fall ever, but yeah. If you like today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more car/motorcycle content. Thank you so much for watching.